Continuing our Unity Asset Manager demo series, today we're taking things to the next level. We're inside cloud.unity.com. Once we open Asset Manager and access our project, we navigate to our asset collection, where every 3D model lives. Here, we have a variety of assets: a protective helm, a building designed in Revit, a skid loader from SolidWorks, and a brake created in CATIA. For the skid loader and the brake, we upload the entire folder, including all supporting files, directly to the cloud. No manual syncing, no missing dependencies. Now, let's open the brake asset and start editing. Inside the file list, we locate the main source file, and from there, we can trigger one of the most powerful features: generating previews. As the transformations run, Unity automatically processes and prepares each file. Once complete, we can see every preview with a fully generated GLB. That means you can now view your model in real-time 3D directly from your browser. Next, we'll use the Prepare for 3D Streaming feature. This process converts the model for high-performance cloud-based visualization. And just like that, the model is ready to explore. We can navigate the full component hierarchy, viewing each element individually, all without opening any external editor. Everything happens seamlessly in the web interface. From wireframe visualization to material overrides, including albedo, normal maps, and more, every detail is available for inspection and iteration. You can even switch between perspective and orthographic views, adjusting how your team analyzes geometry and surface detail, accelerating reviews and decision-making. No more lost files, no more waiting for previews to render locally, just a connected, cloud-first workflow for every 3D asset you create. With Unity Asset Manager, powered by TD SYNNEX Daytech.